11 there, Donald Teguru, the speedy winger for FC Platinum, formerly of Ngezi Platinum Stars, where he worked under. Hello, as Dynamos will go into their traditional pre-match ritual. They're really going to be tested here today. Certainly this is the most appetizing game so far in the Chibuku Super Cup because, of course, it's winner takes all. Somebody goes home, somebody goes through to play Ngezi Platinum Stars in the final. So for Dynamos, Taimon Mvula is in goal. King Nadolo is back today. He was on trials in Georgia and came back. God knows Murwera, we heard from coach Tondera Ndirai, is going to be playing in midfield. We'll see how he sets out his formation here today. On the bench, the likes of Newman Sianchali, who was in the starting 11 for the game against Triangle, which didn't happen midweek as there were no referees there eventually. So it's a very strong Dynamos lineup. As I say, though, it's a big test for them today. Innocent Mucheneka, 22. Brian Banda, number 8, formerly of Highlanders for FC Platinum. They've got it in all departments here. Raman Kutsanzira is in. Donald Teguru, looking forward to seeing how he plays today with his speed and his trickery. Up front, watch out for 7. Tando Ngwenya, who's got 7 goals, 4 goals in 7 games, including 2 on his PSL debut recently against Tenax in a 6-1. Sparkling football here as FC Platinum in the yellow get us underway, attacking the goal to the left of your picture. Dynamos are in the blue. It's the second semi-final of the Chibuku Super Cup, as I say, coming after a turbulent weekend. Here's God knows Murwera. Murwera goes for goal for FC Platinum. Ramon Kutsanzira and Muringai, he'll deal with it. Murwera. See, the ball didn't bounce very high there. You can see the surface is a bit softer. Now Mangiza, they've given it away. It's Kelvin Mangiza past 2 men. Mangiza still goes! They're looking really good here. And then Mangiza, what a run. He just kept going, and wonderful save that from Taimon Mvula. Dello playing more offensively now. Mavunga's given it away to Donald Teguru. Nice ball to Tando Ngwenya. Chances here, Mucheneka, and it's a Brian Banda effort. Just over. Dynamos nearly punished for that error.
I think Trevor Mafunga has never been in this game.
Lucky. Now, watch out for Mucheneka. Could be a key player here. Donald Teguru in a dangerous area. Teguru! It's on target, but he had his near post covered, did Taimon Mvula.
I think Teguru should have done better in that occasion. You beat your marker, and the final pass, not really on point. I think that was the biggest letdown for him there.
Someone to give it to. He goes for goal. Innocent Mucheneka. Murwera is so dangerous, more so down that left side for a corner when he takes it right-footed. Murwera, good one again. Now from Harare City to Europe, have played in Denmark. So yes, it's a Panache Mutimbanyoka off and Silas Songani on. Is this the decisive moment? Can Dynamos defend this? Songani! Yeah, with a reasonable contribution. Silas Songani. Past 2 men, still he goes. Silas Songani. Songani goes for goal! Yes, Sianchali and Chiunye. Forward to God knows Murwera. God knows Murwera! Sianchali now. Still. They've got to be careful here. Mucheneka and Mangiza. Mucheneka! What a beauty from Innocent Mucheneka. FC Platinum lead 104 minutes into the game. Oh, Mvula covers his head in shame, but that was a cracking effort from innocent fans who travelled all the way from Zhishavani. See their team go in front. It's a huge step for FC Platinum. What a cracker.
Yeah, he hit it with so much power.
Could Mari have done, Mvula done anything about it? Well,
Power.
could Mari have done, Mvula done anything about it? Well, he was close, but not easy at all.